early for the yacht to that was the re-bike. He actually got taken out there at the inside and just basically wiped him out. He had absolutely nowhere to go.
So it was a real shame for the Weeb
to make it back. Practice the other day, actually ran
the blue and the yellow colours, and that team that's now paired with Honda. Oh, that's gone down by itself. Etienne Masson, that was a really innocuous accident. Full fuel tank, tries to get the bike up. Gilles Staffler calling everyone into action. Missed his garage. Where's he going? Oh, he can't stop. He can't stop.
Hard on the brakes when the bike's fully upright, and then as you fade the brake, as you put some lean angle and get into the corner, just as you get off the brake, you want to get back on the throttle. But a race like this, where you really want to sort of be a little bit safer, you're going to limit the tail braking as much as possible and not be asking too much out of the front. See the forks will fully compress all the way into the apex there, so maybe we've got a perfect shot there as well of the handle right in the front.